of these drivers in the field have won Pro Late Model races here at Kevin Harvick's Kern Raceway. Seth Wise and McClenny have done it, but they are right now at the tail of the field. Little loose for Bazin out of turn number 4. And Nash Youngren looking to pounce into turn number 1. The 22 trying to hug that painted line. Still side by side for that 4th position. And the caution will fly. 25 laps in, and that is our competition yellow.
Pace cars off, and we go back to green here. The Liuna Feel the Power restart zone. Oh, the Youngrens are in trouble. Here comes Seth Wise to the inside. Scott Youngren with that drive out of turn number 2. Now Seth Wise, former champion of the Spears Pro Late Model Series, making his way up into the 2nd spot. A great restart for the 87.
In the mid to late 2000s, racing it up at Irwindale Speedway. Battle for 2nd out of turn number 4.
Seth Wise in the 87 took a big wiggle in turn 3 and 4. That'll open the door for the 22 of Nash Youngren. Now looking to the inside, the battle for 2nd out of turn number 2. It tightens up right there. You got to watch out for that wall and watch out for the car to your inside.
All right, they're going to try it here into turn 3. Side by side.
Oh yeah, they're playing games out there on that half mile.
As the white flag is in the air for this 50-lapper. The 45 of Scott Youngren comes out of turn number 4. The battle's going to be for 2nd, but Scott Youngren, the veteran, takes the checkered flag. Oh, contact coming to the line.
All guys rule tonight. Oh, man. Dude, Scotty, baby. What it says, hey, look at that. His car's blowing up. It is blowing up right here, ladies and gentlemen. We got to get away from that, dude.
Who cares?
You drove the wheels off of it, Scotty.
We just won the SRL, baby.
It says Nash on the top, but nope, it's Daddy. Here he is.
That's right, man. Man, what a, wow. Haven't done this in a long time. It's about 4 years, and man, that feels good. That car was a rocket. Dean Kuhn and my crew, Elrod, Sean, Otis, all my guys in this heat, killing it. The car was super fast all last night. I kind of messed up in qualifying, but Race Car Factory, this is one of their newer Pro Lates. This thing's a rocket. We're still learning it. And yeah, baby, finally, man.
It's the Spears Manufacturing Modifieds at Kevin Harvick's Kern Raceway. All right, let's see how these cars tackle the slick track. Remember, you want to be careful on exit of turn number 2, but also here through 3 and 4, a lot of movement. Scott Winter's going to take the lead early. The battle's for 2nd between Longman in the 11L, McMorrin in the 22. The 84 of Eddie Secord in a while. I'll get back to him as we got a battle for 3rd. Longman going to go up the racetrack. Holly Clark takes the position. Jax fills that spot for the 4th position. Vossen going to try to follow through. He just gets there in time. And the 11L seems to be off the pace. Problems for Jeff Longman. I don't know, though. I feel like he's opening up a little bit too much if this was intentional. McMorrin to the inside. Battle for the lead in turn number 1. Winter's not giving it up. Still battling hard on the outside, but that car just doesn't seem to have the grip it needs. And it will be McMorrin taking the lead. Lap number 18, which again brings in that curiosity of who's pushing it right now and who's not. Caution, flag flies. Who has the best deck of cards ready to go here? Kevin Harvick's Kern Raceway, restart lap 25. McMorrin able to open up to the lead. Not as intentional, but it's worked for him. It's been hard to pass. He's going to continue to try to hold that car down low. Looking around, bouncing around, dipping to the inside. It's not going to happen there. Waving those checkered flags. McMoran in the 22 takes the victory in the Spears Manufacturing Modifieds. Vossen almost gets to Jax on the final corner, but it is just not enough.
Modified race, Aaron McMoran. Ho, dude, that thing was a hot rod. Holy cow. Well, I see you got Dave Arcee on your side. That's why this thing's fast, man. Congratulations, picking up the win. Dude, those are some woolly veterans right there. You beat the likes of winners, and you've done something.
Yeah, for sure, man. You know, I know the car count's light right now, but the field's still stacked. Like, there's 8 cars, and 6 of them could have won tonight. And I'm just glad to be back in victory lane. Haven't been racing much lately, but great feeling.
100 laps, we're racing. There might be 100 laps, but these drivers are already showing that they want to get to the front immediately. Now in this race, we should have a scheduled break at lap number 50.
Hello, as we are battling for the lead at Kevin Harvick's Kern Raceway. So Lupton, like you were talking about, Jeffrey, he's ready to make the move if Buddy Shepard allows it. And you know Buddy's going to keep that door nice and tightly shut.
Yeah, well, he's working on it right now, but Lupton all over the rear bumper of that 22. He's trying. He's going to get there.
91 to go, right.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to keep my eyes on the stopwatch because as we battle for the lead, we might be seeing Rocha bringing Zampa with them up to this side-by-side battle. They're 3rd and 4th respectively. And this is that danger zone. So Shepard's going to keep him honest and keep him on the bottom of the track. But that could also keep that 4 from handling properly. And you might see contact from it.
Now, they did just auction the hood off of this car. That's in good condition or not.
That's true. You're going to get what you get. 24. Oh, battle for the lead.
I know, I brought it up at a bad time.
That went by quick. I'll get to that. But basically, Seth Wise started and unfortunately had an issue, it looks like. And I don't think we're done.
Oh, Lupton got loose.
You saw that wiggle in the center of the corner.
This car has to hang on with him.
He's there to the inside, left side door. Right about even. Now they're side by side out of turn number 4, drag race to the line. And it is still Buddy Shepard for that outside momentum.
Lupton with a slight advantage out of turn number 2.
Rocha, you think he's loving this? Or do you think he's found a way to extremely pull back the reins? Almost.
It's a rough day for Scott Sanchez and team as the caution flies. As both of the 24s were unable to make it to the finish.
Feel the power restart. We go back green.
Well, it was a great restart for Zampa in the 29. He's going to get by Rocha, and he's going to challenge for 2nd.
And battle again into turn number 1. Battle for 3rd. Rocha looking to the inside of that. Macella's drilling 98. And here we go again, out of 4.
Gonna try it again, looking to the inside. Rocha battling with Lupton, who we saw duking it out for the win, at least the lead earlier in the race. He's going to work his way down the back straightaway. On a night that means so much, he's going to come out of turn number 4. Buddy Shepard is going to win at Kevin Harvick's Kern Raceway.
The rest of the field comes by, but Jeffrey, what a big win for Bakersfield's Buddy Shepard.
Hood, Buddy Shepard picking up the win. Your hometown hero, Bakersfield owned, Buddy Shepard, getting it done. You didn't even call your shot, but I kind of thought, man, that's pretty good omen. I think you had some help from the sky. Congratulations, buddy.
Oh, yeah, no, it was awesome. Man, it was such a great deal to win this thing for Harvey Hall. And fortunately, I've had that Dodge on board, too. It's been great. Adobe Hager Truck and Schaefer's Racing Oil. Manch Distribution. Gary Crooks at Port City. This thing was badass tonight. And PPG, my dad, my mom, all my guys here tonight. That was great.
Name it. Congratulations, Buddy Shepard, picking up the win tonight.